The arroz con pollo, or rice with chicken, needs no introduction. It has history, it has street cred, and it has flavor. But my version, my love, will also make you smile because here we cook with great seasoning and with heart. Let's get started. I want a juicy, tempting arroz con pollo. That's why I use leg and thigh pieces, a touch of pepper, some salt, and the star of the show, cumin. But none of that boring powder, okay? I use cumin freshly ground in a batan or molcajete, mortar and pestle. Cumin doesn't just add flavor, it also perfumes the dish. But use it carefully because if you add too much, it can take over everything. We sear the chicken in very hot oil, and if it has skin, that side goes against the heat first. Don't cook it completely, just brown it until it gets that rich, mouth-watering color. Did you know this dish started as a traditional family Sunday meal? But in my kitchen, it's a party every day. Now comes the aderezo, sauce base, finely chopped onion over low heat so it sweats and caramelizes properly. As you can see, I'm using the same fat where we seared the chicken, so all the flavor is right here. Garlic, yes, but finely chopped. And if you don't want it to taste bitter, remove the germ. That's the trick, baby. Yellow chili pepper or ají amarillo for a pleasant spicy kick. And then comes the soul of the arroz con pollo, the blended cilantro or culantro. Does it upset your stomach? No problem. Mix it with spinach and cook it thoroughly. The trick isn't to remove it, it's to tame it. A little water and you're done. And you must cook it very well, for at least 5 or 6 minutes, stirring constantly, a splash of white wine because today we want romance, and then a bit of dark beer. This isn't just a whim, it's the secret to giving it depth, color, and that flavor that makes you fall in love from the very first bite. Oh, and it's also a substitute for the chicha de jora, which I don't have here. Everything is worthwhile if you do it with passion. And don't worry, the alcohol evaporates, it volatilizes, but the flavor remains. Ooh, you're gonna love it. After cooking the aderezo for a good while, we add water and note that it should be double the amount of rice. This is key so that the rice turns out perfect, neither dry nor watery, with a perfect grain separation. We return the chicken and adjust the salt. Everything fuses together. A tip: in high-altitude cities, double the amount of water is used. I am over 2,000 meters, which is about 6,500 feet. So now you know, do the same according to your altitude. Like everything in life, it's about balance. Now we add the peas or chícharos or alverjitas, carrots cut into small cubes, Macedonia style, and the corn or choclo. This is optional. If you want, you can add it. I highly recommend it. We will let it cook over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes until the rice is perfectly done. And while it cooks, let's prepare the salsa criolla or Creole sauce. Purple onion cut into half-moon slices, ají limo or habanero chili pepper, finely chopped spearmint or hierba buena, salt, pepper, and lime juice. This freshly cut spearmint fills the air with a captivating scent. When it's ready, remove the chicken and comb the rice with a fork or a stick. Not a spoon, please, or you'll ruin it. We add a chopped bell pepper at the end so it remains crunchy, flavorful, and presentable. Look, like this, nice and with care. And now we turn off the heat, cover it, and let it rest for 5 minutes before serving. We serve the rice, the chicken perfectly placed on top, and the salsa criolla on the side. Look at that combination. Look at that color. Wow! And the moment has arrived to taste it, this delicacy. First, a bite of the rice alone. Ooh, so good! Now with the chicken. Make this recipe at home because it is delicious. Share this video, leave your like, and tell me how you prepare arroz con pollo at your house. See you in the next video. Enjoy your meal.